So here's a tour of our little oasis. So we have here, starting with the fire bush that we're training to be a tree. And then we have this nice pathway. Got rid of the grass. Little pollinated garden right here with wildflowers. Stokes aster. Tick flower. Goldenrod right there. And then this way we have some tropicals like the hibiscus, but I have a native hibiscus growing right here. Little bird bath. Lots of milkweed for the butterflies. They already ate it all up. The caterpillars. More milkweed right there. Some salvias. And then I have right here weeping holly. We took out a palm tree from here and added the weeping holly. But then I have some edibles, as you can see right there. The sugar apple. That's growing on this container, but it's connected to the ground. And I have some bromeliads, just for a little different texture and color. And then we have a beauty berry growing very tall. Some native grasses. Walthus viburnum right there. Porterweed growing right there. More Walthus viburnum. And a jaboticaba. Then coming this way, I have some blanket flower, an elderberry tree with the beautiful flowers right there. More milkweed. We planted a pine tree right here. It's growing nice and tall. And I have some wild blueberries growing right there, being overwhelmed by the blanket flower that grows so wild. Another wild blueberry. Hopefully it will do well here. It likes acid soil. And finishing up right here, I have an edible garden bed, a fig tree, Barbados cherry right here, Dahum holly, this one, more Walthus viburnum, pineapple growing between them. Then I have some zinnias that just popped up, I guess from seeds that I had from the back there. Then I have a salt pepper bush. I have a Simpson stopper that hopefully will look lovely when it grows, give some height. Then we have some also dwarf hollies right here that will fill this area. Pollinator pots. And we have conteas. And we have a St. John's wort right here. Spider wort right here. Wild petunia in the back there. He opens in daytime. Now they're sleeping. This one is in the daytime too. And then I have what do you call this plant? Aloe vera. And then I have some conteas growing nicely. We planted them, I guess, January. So they got a little shock, but they're growing beautifully, as you can see on these here. Hopefully we'll fill all this area. And then we have some more native porterweed, our gorgeous fireplace, more pollinator pots right there with I think porterweed and not tick flower growing there by chance. And some succulents. Look at this. Bird pepper. The birds love it. Pretty spicy. And then I forgot which one is this one. And it's a cutie too, some texture. And this is how our yard looks this way. And I have a dragon fruit, echinacea right there, Jamaican creeper that's flowering beautifully right here. Let's see if we can get this nice gorgeous flower. Look at that beauty. Of course, rosemary with its gorgeous tiny flowers too. Lovely. More elderberry growing down there, tea bush. And this is a holly, Yukon holly. And then I have another one of these, but scorpion tail just popped up right here. Gonna transplant it. And then I have some salt bush and the beautiful Bahamas strum bark. Seems like it's gonna flower too. Look at these cuties, more food for the birds. So we'll see. Black Eyed Susan popped up right there too. Another edible bed. Rosemary. Eagleston holly. Some fire sticks. And this is the end of the pathway. And this is looking at it the other way. So native could be beautiful as long as you have the right plant for the right place and give it some good love. Hope you guys get inspired by this video and you plant your own oasis so you'll be able to have more butterflies, more birds, help wildlife. We've seen turtles coming here, squirrel, bunnies. Just enjoying. We call it a walk in the park. So get out there, plant your edibles, but bring some wildlife because they will help you with your harvest. I hope you guys have a lovely night, and I'll talk to you soon.